Bro, I know my first girlfriend, boy. His first serious relationship, me going at the girl bun me with my cousin in a dog. Yo, me feel it to my heart in a youth. Man think a joke, dog. Yo, a girl. Alright, me tell you a story. The girl tell me, say, yo. Short, a long story now, but where you go? Long story short. The girl tell me, say, she want to feel the thing in her summer, you see it, but she didn't live down here, you know. Only for summer or holiday time, she come down here and come look for me. I say, dog, feel the thing. Feel good in myself, in a dog. I'm there wait patiently, you know, man. Until summer forward, you know. Summer forward now. You go link moms. But me kinda shy, cause I think me did a still virgin them time, me dog. Me not tell no lie, me did a move like a bored man, you. Me did a move like a bored man. Me ain't ready for your road yet, you know. My first real relationship. And that relationship go like 2 years. And you know, see the girl call link me, bro. And we in our house where I build up, you see it? In our house where I build up. I like a girl. You know when somebody give a signal, I say, yeah, they ready for it now. Just turn her up on the back and stop in here. Bust off. But me just did slow them time there. Did slow. We did slow, man. Anyways, moms get vexed. The other day, you know, me say, oh, me a serious up. Me all bun a craving in the dog. Bun a frost. No, I think me bun a frost or me bun a weed. And say, oh, me a serious up, you know. And just start rough up a girl. And them the thing girl did want, you know. The girl did want some rough up, you know. Oh, them time is soft, you see it? Boy. The next day, me forward and go in our old house, and my cousin that they give my backers. Why? Me heart drop. Me heart drop go way down on me hood. Why me ball, you know? Me ball your fuck. Me ball your fuck. Hey, them days, you know? Not even do what me want go, you know? Me turn in my bed few much days, me ball, me listen to some sad song and ball again. When that time I think me all did go and take pill and kill myself to blood clot. But guess what? That no overcome me a blood clot. So I get wild like a them. No heart. A woman turn me in a savage, you know. A woman turn me in a savage. Woman turn me in a savage. A them make me come so right now. You see? We never put a girl before my mother and my baby mother. You have to respect them. You see me? If you don't respect them, why you have to go? You have to go. You have to go. You know, see me the writer start telling me a story and nearly ball again. You know, see me the writer start telling me a story and nearly ball. I swear, I'm nearly ball again, you know. Because like me, I still feel a bone to rest, like. Right now, if me ever hold a girl sister, you know. Me all a video it goes in. Talk over, you happy me? You happy me? Hey, not tell me nothing about me and my baby mother here. No, nothing about me and my baby mother. I have all for respect for my baby mother. How Chanel feel? You know, after me like Chanel about. Chanel there, yard, and me there, Brad. Chanel there, yard, and me there, Brad. Cause like you know I'm if you sing. I'm keep on ask me where Chanel there. Chanel there, yard, and me there, Brad. Sim gone live. Why me want to line up dog? Yo, who no barber up at them place here? A real countryside, you know, so we don't know if barber there pass. I mean no pass the barber shop. Me there Black River.